Video anụnwa onye njimaka eme bụ Governor Hope Uzodimma. Governor Hope Uzodimma bụ the executive governor of Imo State. And ife nji wee bime video bụ na ọ na-adịkwanụ mma mmadụ mee nke ọma etoe na ọ bụrụ oge ọbụla a na-ekwuso nke ọjọọ and nke ọjọọ nwanụ ịna-anya na efu na deliberate assassination of character, because no more people akwụrụ ụgwọ say had to make sure na assassinate the character of Hope Uzodimma. Nnamdi Kanu bụ number one. The political party put over to do that. I don't want to mention them because but I just want you to know, no deliberate act to assassinate the character of His Excellency Governor Hope Uzodimma. Man, let's just forget about that for now. Let's talk about the recent miracle Hope Uzodimma had. If I be hard, it might interest you to know now every living Imo State person returned from South Africa. Senator Hope Uzodimma, current governor of Imo State, nearly each and every one of them, 1 million each. But you will not see things like that in our mainstream media, because it's a good thing. It's a miracle from Senator Hope Uzodimma's side. Everybody make an effort here. Not only Governor Hope Uzodimma, the governor of Enugu State as well. These people, immediately, their people will land in airports. And you have something kahaji they go to na their family. I am yet to hear from the governor of Anambra State, because now we have managed, to put information to where the information is supposed to be, to let our leaders, our elected representatives, to know now our people see South Africa and Nathan. What are we going to do to assist them? And another thing, but to check who is who. Even you were criminal history. Ebata, we put you where you're supposed to be. So I'm here to hear from the governor of Anambra State. And I believe that they will do something anytime soon, because our people in the Natal can on airports. Other people now have Keze government. And Oto Kwanamana na me take this appeal to the the right people, the people that are supposed to take it to. Not just I send the message. I managed to, Ewa Hope and Odo Kwanamana na haweta my appeal. Appealing that they may do something. Maka, these are our people are batago. But some of them were even transportation. Send their some they were go in airport near. So actually this opportunity where our family, because in Anambra State, abroad just government, if I bobo family, and we believe in never walk alone. I'm begging His Excellency Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo. Now those people from our video, some of them are back, and some of them are yet to come back. let our government do something. Assist them. And Aman, now solution. You're silent. It's not denial. So I'm pleading with you to please do something. Watch the video.
Good afternoon, sir. I Balogo, I know on the channel, chairman. I know Mazi, so I have Balogo. I just now born the channel. The excellency, the only solution, the problem solver. I can never know. Never know Kumuna, and Anambra.
Where can
I see up and do see south. I want to Ebuchatala, so I want to wine Natala. Galuteze na Lagos. I Natanu don't know. Luteze na Lagos. Oblify to Volkai. Oblify to Lanya Kaifulu. Na juzi no nkai oduziche. Olanya ni nenye aye jigo maki anatakwa no wala kwa ni ifa ifulu maka esi anazi eba no na awa Onitsha ka akwụsịla anyị n'ofi weka ka onye ọ na-asị ya na kita ben na ya bụ problem ma moto ka esi aba moto ka esi eju ukwu ka eji anabazi ben na so anyị na-akpọ ndụ Anambra ji wee dee ebube na Anambra nwekwanụ mmadụ biko nu gbatakwa na ọsọ enyemaka biko na anyị na-ekenekwa na unu
anya mmiri dịkwa na anyị n'anya nụ biko nu bịa mere anyị ka anyị dịkwa ka ibe anyị soludodo ndị nwa bụ Boko Haram maka anyị solu je chụwa biko nu na anyị na-ayọ ayọ awakwana mba ka anyị na-aba unu ene na n'onu anyị
biko nu
agoda na arụ anyị eribeghị iwe vu anyị na-agba wite afọ nke
ma stranded ka anyị dị ebe a ka anyị si anabe nna bụ problem mana ife anyị mana anyị anatalugo Onitsha nekwana ụmụazị anyị na-anọsi nekwana ụmụazị anyị nọsi ebe a anyị ekenenu daalụkwanụ. Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching, and may God bless you. No.